Tip 1. Eggs and chicken breast. First, prepare about 300 grams of fresh chicken breast. Wash the chicken breast, then use a knife to cut it into bite-sized pieces so that the chicken cooks evenly and is easier to eat. Chicken breast is a very popular food because it's low in fat, high in protein, and good for your health. Chicken breast contains a lot of high-quality protein, which helps build muscle, recover muscles after exercise, increase physical strength. In addition, chicken breast is good for cardiovascular health, supports weight loss, strengthens the immune system, and is good for bones. Put all the cut chicken breast into a large bowl. Next, crack 3 chicken eggs into the bowl. The eggs will help bind the ingredients together and make the dish softer when fried. To make the dish more flavorful, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Depending on your family's taste, you can adjust the amount of seasoning as desired. Then, use a spoon to mix the mixture well, so that the eggs and seasoning coat each piece of chicken evenly. Next, prepare some parsley. Wash it, drain it, and chop it finely. Add the chopped parsley to the bowl of chicken. Then, add 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt. Then mix well. Now, place the pan on the stove, add a little olive oil, and heat over medium heat. When the oil is hot, pour the chicken mixture into the pan, then gently spread it evenly over the surface of the pan. Be careful not to spread it too thickly, so that the chicken inside can cook evenly. Then, cover the pan and cook over low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes to allow the chicken patty to cook slowly. When the bottom is set and begins to turn a light golden color, use a plate the same size as the pan to flip the pancake. Then add butter. Once the butter has melted, fry the remaining side of the pastry in the pan. When the second side begins to brown, prepare 2 tomatoes and slice them thinly. Arrange the fresh tomato slices on top of the pizza. The tomatoes will add a light, juicy flavor to the dish. Then, sprinkle a layer of grated cheese on top, spreading it evenly so that when heated, the cheese melts and covers the entire surface of the pizza. Next, cover the pan and continue cooking for about 2 minutes. The heat in the pan will help the cheese melt smoothly, blending with the tomatoes and the chicken base underneath, creating a rich, fragrant, and more appealing topping. When the cheese has completely melted and the bread is golden brown, turn off the heat and transfer the bread to a plate, ready to enjoy. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. First, prepare 2 chicken breasts, wash them thoroughly, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Chicken breast and eggs are a golden food combination for health, especially for building muscle and losing fat, thanks to their high protein content, low carbs, and healthy fats. 100 grams of chicken breast provides approximately 23 to 31 grams of protein, while a 50-gram egg contains 6 to 8 grams, perfect for an eat-clean diet and exercise. Place all the cut chicken breasts in a large bowl. Then add 3 eggs. Next, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dried herbs, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Then, finely chop some parsley and add it to the bowl to enhance the aroma. Then add 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped and minced. It's great that we can connect from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the mixture. Then, grate some cheese and add it to the bowl, mixing all the ingredients together until well combined. To make the mixture stickier, add 3 tablespoons of flour and mix until the mixture is just right, not too runny or too thick. Prepare an air fryer. Line the bottom with parchment paper and brush a thin layer of olive oil to prevent sticking. Then pour the mixture into the pan and spread evenly. Place the pan in the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the oven to check. Arrange the tomato slices on top of the cake. Then grate another layer of cheese on top. Continue baking at 180 degrees Celsius for about 6 minutes. When the cake is done, remove it from the pan, let it cool slightly for a few minutes, then cut into bite-sized pieces. The result is a soft, flavorful chicken breast cake topped with fresh tomatoes and a layer of rich, aromatic cheese that is very appealing. So today, we've explored 2 incredibly delicious tips using chicken breast and eggs, familiar ingredients that can be transformed into creative and nutritious dishes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.